Hi guys, welcome to Halloween video number 5. Today we're using a stamp set from brutusmonroe and Samus' stamp. This is from the September 2021 and it's called Sweet Seasonal Apples. And I love the images on this stamp set. So we're going to stamp our mummy apple on some white cardstock. And I'm actually going to stamp him 3 times. I stamped him using some VersaFine Onyx black ink, and then I'm using some clear embossing powder to kind of make him more pronounced or bold. Once we heated our embossing powder, we're using Copic markers to color my cute little mummy apples. So each have a different color, has different color eyes and teeth. And once we're done coloring, we're going to cut them out. My usual thing, fussy cutting. For background, the pattern paper also comes from Whimsy Stamps Vampire paper pad. And first I used a piece of black cardstock to cut out, freehand cut shape of a coffin. So we adhere one side of the coffin with some black foam adhesive. Then we're gonna put our scene together, and I'm just going with not even a plan. We're just trying to see how I like them to be. And this die is from MFT and it's called Cross Hatch, and I cut it in some black cardstock, and I'm going to adhere it behind the coffin and just kind of adjust it to see how I want it. So we decided on the placement of everything. We're going to leave that space in the bottom of the coffin and that space at the top. I think the scene has enough. I think if I add something else, it would be too much. So once we finish the front, we'll adhere this to a black card base. So it's added to a black card base, and I use some crystal glaze from Nouveau to add to the eyes and the teeth. And I think I'm so in love with this card. I think out of all the cards I've made, this one is my favorite now. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, like the card. Let me know what you think in the description. Give me a thumbs up if you like, and don't forget to subscribe. I want to thank you guys for joining me for card number 5 or video number 5, and I'll see you maybe on Sunday for the next card. And thanks for watching. Bye.